Hi, everybody. This is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Thursday, September 8th, 2022. So I'm showing you what we did in the morning notes here. And really, what I was saying is that we're kind of, I was on the fence on the direction wise. And really, what I'd said is I'd be more on the side of looking to short near the 40.15 and then buy near the 39.50 level. So that was really what we were looking at as far as our boundaries. And if we take a look, this is where we closed. We opened at 39.45. From there, rallied straight up to the 40.10. So you could have actually it got long here, short here, and then covered when we got near it. But it just what it's telling us is that the market is at a kind of a critical juncture right here, where either we're going to break out of this range, and I just put this here. So the first thing the bulls have to do is get it through the 40.10, but more importantly, it's going to be this 40.17. If they get above there, then I believe that what's going to happen is this wave five will probably be somewhere up into the 40.50, maybe even a little bit higher than that. Now, what I was also saying that would make sense is that this five actually ends here. So here we have our one, two, this was our wave three, and then we made a quick wave four here. And then from that, we're now making our wave five. Now, I still believe there's going to be sellers waiting up at this 40.17 area because they're not going to let it go that easily. So if the bulls are going to get over it, most likely they're going to try to gap it over. That's really the only way they'll be able to do it. If it comes up, my preferred pattern, and what I'd really like to see is we actually do get held down right here. We'll have some bearish divergences in place, and then from there we should get a pullback back down to the 39.40, or possibly even a little bit lower than that, followed by another rally that would take us probably into next week sometime. And then from there, that's when, the September, October period that, we're anticipating to be very bearish will start to kick into place, because everyone will start believing that the market is safe to get in again if we start breaking out of here. So another thing that I had showed you, and this is in the video from the other day, was a possible inverted head and shoulders pattern. So this is where the expectation was that we're going to get a move down here to form the right shoulder. You can see that's pretty much what we did. And now, right now, if it is going to play out like this, we should see a test somewhere up into the 4100 level, 41.25. So the patterns are actually on the side of the bulls right now. They're not the bears, and it's one of the reasons why I've been saying just be very careful. Shorting this market right now. It seems like it's the easy trade, and then whenever we see an easy trade like that, typically, it doesn't work out well for everybody that's jumping on that trend. So it's actually fairly simple. We're in this range right now. The bears need to get it through to 39.45. The bulls need to get it through to 40.17. If the bulls succeed, the next resistance is going to be up at the 40.60. If the bears succeed, then we're coming down and probably testing the 3900 level. So let's see what plays out tomorrow. You can see we had some bearish divergences as we made this wave three. And if we come up and make the wave five and then come down, I would really, that would be my preferred pattern. So let's see what plays out tomorrow. And with that, have a great night, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning.